Tuesday morning, November 19, 2024. Back at this farm, and we want to check the chicken. We're probably going to be doing the fish here. And the chickens that we're going.
See how we do the complete test complete.
Yes.
Now,
If not for that, this place is closer. We'll have just shifted this place like this, then leave like 3 feet to the wall. Come like this, so it will now be this level. It will now be from where up. I don't know if you understand. How many are they? Everything. That means they need to clear this place.
clear everything.
So we can do this thing in batches. Since there's a lot of space, I'm going to take you to the second pen that is already constructed. You want to use the case system there. But same mistake that was made in this pen is the same thing in that other one as well. But the corrections are going to be done minimally. For those of you that are always complaining of, Daniel, you're in Lagos, so. There is nowhere too far if you really want to take business serious. Like I said, I'm in Togo. The client brought me all the way from Nigeria for consultation section. I am in the pen. You can see that it's so long. It's just some finishing touches that is left. Same thing with the other one. It's just one side that ventilation is coming from. This side, no ventilation. It has been blocked, so it's going to affect the production of the beds. But would do some readjustment to see that this will not really affect the beds. So we can't bring this down again because it's a lot of money. We'll make an adjustment. That's how this will be done. And also look at the roofing. The roof is not really high enough. If you can see the pillars, they wanted to do another pen here in the middle. I've asked them not to do that because it will be too choked. So we are going to repurpose this place for another thing. Like I said, error from someone that constructed it. Basically, he had no idea, zero idea of livestock construction, pens and everything, and he has made that mistake. I'm in Togo on a 2-day visit, which we've done some training for the staffs where the lapses are, as has been put in place and the correction noted. Let me take you to where they are producing their feed. Like I mentioned earlier, they produce their feed themselves. This is the feed production room. This is where they produce their chicken feed. You can see the machine. Climb here. This is they call this motor. This is what they use in packing the feed. You can see. So it's a lot of investments. Like I used to say, if you want to go into a livestock farming, go hard or don't go at all. It requires a lot of money and a lot of investment. Let's go to the store. So this is the store room, the egg room as well. There is a lot of mistake in this, not enough ventilation as well. But thankfully, they get people that come to buy it. Again, there is a lot that goes beyond just putting things together. It's putting it right. These are the collection of drugs. Yeah, it's a lot of investment that my client has put together. Yes, even with the mistakes that happen, he's still able to stand strong and is ready to make correction of whatever that has happened. And you're ready at Agricfy Farms Limited to make this work for my clients. So wherever you are in the world, you can reach out to me. Let's do business. Let's make your agri farms go bigger. Your dream to own either a poultry or a fish farm, I'm here to support that, and collectively we're going to do something great. Keep on watching. My name is Daniel. I'll see you in the next video.